Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. I know it's been a while since we posted, but we went to River Run this past weekend, which was New Year's. Now, I was a day late. I didn't get there for New Year's Eve, but we did make a couple of the bounty course events and just some riding around. But last few weeks, I've been thinking about upgrading the 420 and wasn't sure what I wanted to do. You know, I just snorkeled it and stuff. I'd considered a Radiator Relocate kit and maybe a little lift and stuff. But still, you know, I'm thinking, well, it's a 420, which it's a fun little bike. But I wanted something a little bit different. So after looking on the internet for a while, I actually found a bike here in Louisiana that I was interested in, but I just couldn't see myself paying what they were asking for it. So I started doing some more searching and actually found one that was 6 hours away in Arkansas, and it pretty much had everything that I wanted in a bike. So started looking at it seriously, considering it, but also thinking, you know, hey, look, I've still got the 420. What am I going to do with it? I'm paying a note on it. If I go get a new one, it's going to be 2 notes, you know. So I was like, well, I'm gonna have to sell it. Do I want to sell it first before I go get this bike? Because if not, the bike may not be there. So anyway, I was talking to my son about it too, and Sean decided, hey, look, I want the 420. So yeah, we gave him the 420. He's taking up the note on it. So congratulations to him. And so we drove up Wednesday, me and Sean, we made the 12-hour round trip to Arkansas, and we went up to Russellville Honda and saw Joe Lee Manning. And Joe Lee hooked us up with a bike that I was very happy with, and I thank y'all. So guys, 12-hour round trip, only about 40 minutes at the dealership. I called, got pre-approved. I did everything over the phone, which is awesome. It's a blessing because you basically get there to the dealership, they almost have your paperwork ready for you. They demo the bike for you. When you're done with that, you sign papers and you're out of there. So again, thanks to Russellville Honda and Joe Lee Manning. And what we decided on going with is the 2021 Honda Foreman. And this bike came from the dealer with the 28-inch tires, the MSA, the M20, 14-inch wheels. Came with a 3,500-pound Warren winch on the front, the little Lightbar, a Mud Pro Rad Relocate kit, high lifter Snorkel, and everything that I'm happy with. Now, whenever you think going from the 420 to the 520, not that big of a difference, but there is a very big difference, especially in the torquiness. This bike is so torquey. It is just really awesome. The other thing that I like about it is it's got the push button 4-wheel drive. You know, I don't like all the electronic stuff because, again, that's just, to me, more stuff to break down. But it's got the push button 4-wheel drive, but it actually has the diff lock on it with a switch. So you don't have to do the old school way like on the 420. You have to kind of hold in the brake a little bit and give it gas to get into the diff lock on it. But I'm gonna tell you, we did make one ride in it. I hate that this is a little late, but like I say, that was a 12-hour trip that we took to Arkansas. So whenever we got back, it was kind of late, and we were leaving the next day to go to River Run. So now the only thing is the bike did not come with the BKTs. What we did was we actually weighed the BKTs, and the bike actually came with these Moto Havocs. And the Moto Havocs were actually right at 6 pounds lighter than the BKTs. So I figured, hey, 520, let's put the heavier tires on the 520, and we'll put the lighter Moto Havocs on the 420. And the 420 did very well. Unfortunately, guys, a hard lesson learned. We are fixing to have to tear the motor apart on this one. Sean went off in a hole, but it was only about, you know, just kind of covering the tires there. But unfortunately, snorkeling the bike, I forgot to seal the crankcase vent tube. I just left the little clip ring hose clamp on it, and somehow that hose clamp where it goes into the breather box, it came off, and so he sucked water and some nasty sandy mud inside the motor. And we got it cranked, we got it running and everything, but she does kind of sound like a chainsaw. So we're going to be busting the motor apart, getting inside of it. And I think what we may wind up doing with her is we may wind up going, since we're going to have the motor apart anyway, and if we have to replace any of the upper stuff, we're just going to go ahead and put a big bore in it. We'll put a 500 big bore kit in it, and kind of waken the little giant here. But anyway, just wanted to kind of show you what we've got now and where we're going to be. We are not riding this next weekend, but it'll be 2 more weeks after that. I think we will probably wind up going to Muddy Bottoms, maybe up around Shreveport. Sabine is closed for the whole month of January, so we won't be able to go there until next month. But I've got footage from the River Run stuff. I should have a video out maybe Thursday or Friday, the first video from it, and then another video to follow from there. And again, just wanted to show you the new 420, give you an update, a little review, like a 1 month review after we've had it for a month. But so far, love it. So anyway, guys, look, 5 months in, the channel's doing pretty good. Subscribers are up, watch time's up, and everything. But guys, to get there, we really need y'all to hit the subscribe button. So if you enjoy this content, you like what I'm doing, man, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Those go a long way. That's what gets your videos out there. That's how YouTube sees that your channel is a channel that people want to see and that people are watching, is whenever you interact with our channels. And it means so much to us, and it means so much to me personally, because whether it's a small monetization or a large one, it's going to help me continue doing this, get better equipment, get better cameras. And again, we just thank you for the support so far. So like, subscribe, and please leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about the new bike. If I should have got it, if I shouldn't have got it, what you like about it, what you don't like about it. Thanks for watching.